Hello friends. In this video, I will give you extensive information about the Caterpillar 320 excavator. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you are ready, let's start. The CAT 320 hydraulic excavator raises the bar for efficiency and fuel economy in this size class. With the industry's highest level of standard factory technology, a cab made for operator comfort, plus lower fuel and maintenance costs, the 320 will help make your operation more productive and profitable. The CAT 320 offers the industry's highest level of standard factory equipped technology, including CAT grade with 2D, grade with assist, and payload. A precise combination of lower engine speed and a large hydraulic pump delivers top performance while burning less fuel. Extended and more synchronized maintenance intervals increase uptime and reduce costs compared to the 320F. Onboard CAT technology gives you the edge. Operators of all experience levels will dig, load, and grade with more confidence, speed, and accuracy. The result? Better productivity and lower costs. Set your targets in the monitor and cut and fill the specifications without needing a grade checker. Program up to 4 depth and slope offsets to get to grade even more quickly, a real-time saver on the job site. Automated boom, stick, and bucket movements deliver more accurate cuts with less effort. The operator simply sets the depth and slope into the monitor and activates single lever digging. CAT Payload helps you achieve precise load targets to improve your operating efficiency. Pick up a load of material, with a bucket and thumb combination or grapple and clamshell attachments, and get a real-time weight estimate without swinging. Automated tracking helps manage production and lower cost. The monitor's USB port lets you download your results from one shift all the way up to 30 days of work so you can manage your progress without needing an internet connection or Vision Link subscription. CAT grade with advanced 2D and CAT grade with 3D increase productivity and your profit potential. CAT grade with advanced 2D offers in-field design capability through an additional high-resolution touchscreen monitor. CAT grade with 3D offers a choice of a single antenna global navigation satellite system, GNSS, for enhanced guidance or dual antenna GNSS for maximum grading efficiency. All CAT grade systems are compatible with radios and base stations from Trimble, Topcon, and Leica. Already invested in grade infrastructure? You can install grade systems from Trimble, Topcon, and Leica onto the machine. CAT equipment management telematics technology helps take the complexity out of managing your job sites, by gathering data generated by your equipment, materials, and people and serving it up to you in customizable formats. Product Link collects data automatically and accurately from your assets, any type and any brand. Information such as location, hours, fuel usage, productivity, idle time, maintenance alerts, diagnostic codes, and machine health can be viewed online through web and mobile applications. Access information anytime, anywhere with Vision Link, and use it to make informed decisions that boost productivity, lower costs, simplify maintenance, and improve safety and security on your job site. With different subscription level options, your CAT dealer can help you configure exactly what you need to connect your fleet and manage your business without paying for extras you don't want. Subscriptions are available with cellular or satellite reporting. Remote troubleshoot allows your CAT dealer to perform diagnostic testing on your connected machine remotely, pinpointing potential issues while the machine is in operation. Remote troubleshoot ensures the technician arrives with the correct parts and tools the first time, eliminating additional trips to save you time and money. Remote flash updates onboard software without a technician being present, potentially reducing update time by as much as 50%. You can initiate the update when convenient, increasing your overall operating efficiency. The CAT app helps you manage your assets, at any time, right from your smartphone. You can see your fleet location, hours, and other information you need to see. You will get critical alerts for required maintenance, and you can even request service from your local CAT dealer. Sites where excavators typically work are rugged and challenging. That's why it's important that the 320 cab protects the operator as much as possible from the fatigue, stresses, sounds, and temperatures of the job. Comfort and efficiency of movement keep operators productive and alert all shift long. The standard seat is wide and adjustable for operators of virtually any size. The deluxe cab package includes a heated air suspension seat. The premium seat is both heated and cooled. Most machine settings can be controlled through the high-resolution 254mm/10-inch touchscreen monitor. It offers 42 languages and is easy to reach from the seat, no twisting or turning. Smart Mode automatically adjusts power to meet work demand with maximum fuel efficiency. Auto Dig Boost increases power by up to 8% for better bucket penetration, shorter cycle times, and greater payloads. Need more lift during your shift? Turn on Auto Heavy Lift and get 8% more power exactly when you need it for as long as you need it. Joystick function can be customized through the monitor. Make moving the excavator much easier with Cat Stick Steer. Simply push a button and use one hand to travel and turn instead of both hands or feet on levers or pedals. Adding an auxiliary relay allows you to power on or turn off a CB radio, beacon light, and even a dust suppression watering system without taking your hands off the joysticks. The 320 uses a keyless push-button engine start. This adds security for the machine by using operator ID codes to limit and track machine access. Codes can be entered manually or via an optional Bluetooth key fob. The ISO-certified rollover protective structure, ROPS, cab is sound suppressed and sealed. The windows and lower front profile of the machine give outstanding visibility to the work area without the strain of constantly leaning forward. Standard rear view and right-hand side view cameras keep operators aware of their surroundings at all times. An optional 360 degrees visibility feature is also available. Convenience features include Bluetooth integrated radio, USB ports for charging and phone connectivity, 12 volts DC outlets and aux port, storage in rear, overhead, and console compartments, and cup and bottle holders. Daily maintenance checks can be performed with 100% of the points accessible from ground level, making maintenance faster, easier, and safer. Checkpoints include the engine oil dipstick, fuel water separator, fuel tank water and sediment drains, and cooling system coolant level check. Enhance job site safety by adding CAT Command to your fleet. The remote control system comes with everything you need to operate outside of the cab. Command Console lets you operate up to 400 meters, 437 yards, away. Command Station lets you work virtually anywhere. CAT Detect People Detection helps protect the most valuable asset on any job site, people. The system uses smart cameras with depth sensors to provide the operator with visual and auditory alerts so he or she can take immediate action when a person is too close to the excavator. Make service work easier and safer with optional inspection lighting. With the flip of a switch, lights will illuminate the engine, pump, battery, and radiator compartments to enhance visibility. Lift Assist helps you avoid tipping. With visual and auditory alerts, you'll know if your load is within the excavator's safe working range limits. Whether you are using a bucket and thumb combination or a hammer, grapple, or clamshell, eFence automatically stops excavator motion using boundaries you set in the monitor for the entire working envelope, above, below, sides, and front. eFence protects equipment from damage and reduces fines related to zoning or underground utility damage. Automatic boundaries even help prevent operator fatigue by reducing overswinging and digging. With extended and more synchronized maintenance intervals, you get more done at a lower cost compared to the 320F. Consolidated filter locations make service faster. Hydraulic, air, and fuel tank filters have increased capacity and longer life. Boost productivity with proactive service reminders. Our new integrated vehicle health management system alerts the operator with step-by-step service guidance, along with parts needed, so you don't experience any unnecessary downtime. The CAT PL161 attachment locator is a Bluetooth device that makes finding your attachments and other gear quick and easy. The excavator's onboard Bluetooth reader or the CAT app on your phone will locate the device automatically. Save more time and energy with the available work tool recognition feature. A simple shake of the attached tool confirms its identity. It also ensures all the attachment settings are correct, so you can get to work quickly and efficiently. With 360 degrees rotation and 40 degrees side-to-side tilting action, a CAT tilt rotator will help you get complex work done faster. A new system upgrade from the factory allows the tool to work with CAT 2D grade, assist, payload, and eFence. It includes factory-fit joysticks, but uses the standard cab monitor to display the tool and engage its secure lock so you don't need to spend money on an extra monitor. It also works seamlessly with other brands with no additional hardware required. All you have to do is simply select third-party tilt rotator system installation in the monitor, do the calibration, and get to work. Protect your hammer tool from overheating and rapid wear. Auto hammer stop warns you after 15 seconds of continuous firing and then automatically shuts it off after 30 seconds, all to extend the tool's service life. Thank you for watching the video. See you in another video.